Hey guys, it's Ed with Solomon's Landscape here. Just want to do a quick video on planting. When is the right time to plant? It's spring here. It's just the beginning of March. Things are starting to come out in bloom. Weeds are growing. Fescue's growing. Bermuda is about to come out of dormancy probably by the end of the month and a half. But we're starting to mow. We're starting to get in full season. And so one of the things that I noticed over the years, and many people have asked us, plants. When do we plant? Install plants in the ground. And actually, a lot of times we'll get phone calls early in the springtime to install plants. And you know what? We're up here in upstate South Carolina. You can plant any time of the year. According to Clemson, any time of the year is the best time of year to plant. Obviously, there's more optimal times to install plants in the ground. And actually, the optimum time really is the fall, when everything's going into winter dormancy, and the plant tends to focus on root growth in the middle of fall and winter time, whereas in the summertime it's pushing green foliage on the outside. And what makes a strong plant is the roots. With that said, though, you can install plants year-round. One thing you do want to be careful of, especially planting in the springtime, is it's just going, it's going to be summertime before we know it. We're hitting 90, 95, 100-degree weather. And so what you want to make sure is that those plants are getting plenty of water, so they don't drown, so they don't thirst to death and die off. But again, you can plant anytime, year-round in our state, and it's a great time to plant now in March. It's a great time to do. We've done stuff in March. We've done stuff in the middle of June, July, August. We've also done installs January, February. So it's a great time. Any time is a great time to plant. Again, the ideal time would be fall, so they can concentrate on root growth. But if you have the bullet, I understand it's spring, everything's starting to bloom. We want to get outside, take care of some of those honeydew items, make your yard look a little bit better. So absolutely, the springtime is a great time to install plants, just making sure that you water those plants so they're not thirsting to death. So I just want to make a quick video for you guys. I'll post this up on Facebook here soon as well. And I'll come back at you in the near future in regards to how to properly install those plants, because it's such a large investment for most homeowners. So thank you very much. You have yourselves a great day, and we'll see you soon. And get those plants in the ground, and let's see them start blooming. Thanks.